Hello, good sir. What's happening? Do sounds and sights in? Do sounds and sights in people or what? Don't mess this up. Are you focusing? Oh my God! I was like, yo! So impressive. That was impressive. That would have been. She hit it off the top of her head straight up, but almost caught it and then grabbed it.
Next footballer.
That was actually really impressive.
Gabby doesn't get one?
I'm not impressed.
She doesn't eat candy like that. It's game training. I gotta get ready. The crab has to get ready.
Are you sick of this guy
You know
yet?
what I have to deal with every day? And I've been here only for a week. No, 2 weeks. Many more to come. Fit people in this gym.
What do you watch?
Hello. When I do Zone 2, I watch a show. So I'm currently rewatching One Tree Hill. Highly recommend. It helps you really block out pain. Great. It's a great time. I really want to be like these people when I grow up. And then I asked Gabby how old she was. And she was like, oh, I'm 27. I was like, same. I wish I could be as fit as you. Maybe in like 5 years. I'm ready! I said one time. Nice, you showed it. That's not right. Change your direction. Yeah, one more shot. This is how you have fun. You might not do this in Poland, but this is what we do. We have fun here. You gotta die! He hindered me. He hindered. Oh, maybe does that count? No. That lost its speed. Alright. It needs to be this high between speed and agility. Alright. I feel like at night when they're fresh, it's alright, Matt, come on. This is proper warming up. Ready to go, she's so fun. Be ready, this thing goes. It goes, come on. Come on! I was waiting to really go after it. They all pumped up. I was waiting for it to pump up once it lost its hair. Give it to her, let me try. I gotta have a victory.
in here somewhere.
People ask what fitness is. This is fitness. Fitness.
What was that? You didn't give me a warning. I feel like that's being sexy.
That is fitness. He has 4 kids. He has fast reflexes. He is quick. He is speed. He is athleticism. Wow.
Commit early.
Wow.
You gotta commit early.
Wow. This is good. This is good.
I wasn't gonna let that one get away.
More balloons. Chandler! You gotta go. Wait, Evie, have you done this? I bought these for this purpose specifically. You don't just travel around with balloons and birthday candles? Spicy. I told Gabby, I was like, I want to get fitness here. And I was like, oh, you can do like 27. I'm like, oh, my age. Great.
Come on. Come on.
Oh, you look like a,
How was that?
you look like a fairy.
I gotta have my hands up. It's up.
That was a bad one. It was a bad blow. You messed it up.
The video of us doing this. Them, they're so fit.
AI was like, do you think AI would even make you look bigger?
No, that's not saying.
I don't think they would change. I don't think they could change it.
They would change a lot about me. They'd give me abs.
Oh, is this a race? Are you gonna go on a race?
You do this back home?
This is a good game. I haven't seen that one before.
Adam, what is this?
I noticed the best athlete in the room is not playing these
Yeah,
games.
she's not joining in. She's locked in. We're all pissing around with some balloons. Okay. Let's do some handstand, shall we? Okay, now
You're gonna handstand walk across the back, Abby, for me, baby. I said you're gonna handstand walk across the back.
even if you kick right out your hands.
I don't think that's happening. I really want to do that. Start. So like as soon as you start, I pick up.
I have to kick off, yeah.
Like you can
But you can adjust. Yeah, you can adjust. You said you can adjust. Ready?
I'm definitely gonna adjust. I can already feel it.
Hold on! No! Wrong, we all suck. You can move your hands. I need to get here. That's not allowed.
That's cheating.
Not allowed. That's cheating. Go again. Hey, I'll start. Okay. Come on, don't move. Don't move. No!
Dang it! Take off, Travis. Pitiful.
Yeah, come on, Jesse. Come on. I will look fine. Once I get there, I can hold it, but I have to try to
Not
get
committing
it.
enough. Not committing. Not more help.
Ready? Yeah, stay. Up. No, the shimmy. No, I almost had it. Oh, fitness. Wow. Wow.
Well, because I can
That's very
sit.
nice.
Yeah.
Very up.
Oh.
On to you. Very
It's
up.
Jesse's fault. You're supposed to be Noah and
Like I should never be able to do it. But sorry, I'm giving you a moment.
But use your fingertips.
Always blade
Press it down. So when your toes, if you go this way, you press your toes down.
The finger.
Same thing, press your fingers into the ground.
What are y'all
And then if
doing?
you go too far this way, you press your fingers.
My fingers, but
like
I like this idea. Right, that's your
starts it off, so whoever initiates
Fingers.
it. And then
Fingers!
you-
Fingers! Yeah!
you get the
Oh!
point.
That was so close! Fingers! Fingers! Shit! Okay, we'll move again. No! That's so annoying. Focus. 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 Yeah! That was better! That was better! These gymnasts out here, you guys are killing me. Fingers. Oh! Oh! It's so hard. Okay. No! That was so close!
Would you say this was 4? What would you say this was 4?
Quarterfinal sim. Can you read that?
Yes, sir.
That was like kind of, but like I'm pressing that. Have you ever heard those? The what? You guys all have access. It's true. You have the whole UK Australia. We have non-Americans. I love United Nations. I love it. Yes.
United Nations. This is the, yes, we actually, isn't that funny? I mean, me not UAE, Middle East.
So like this type of workout is like not great. I was thinking
It's okay, Matt. We got the real flag right there behind you.
The US flag. I can't say anything bad because I live here. I like America. It's got stars on it like the Australian one. Just there's less of them. Similar colors too. That's what I'm telling you when I'm over there. Hey, I just impressed her. I brought out some Polish. She didn't even know I had it in me. I told her to hurry up and pull.
Yeah, I confirm this was lying.
Is that pronounced right?
I understood you, so
I said that's good. Were you like, oh, I didn't know that was in there.
sing something. Sing it.
Hey, when I'm yelling at you on the runner, well, that's what I'm yelling.
It's not 2:15.
Yeah. Do you know why I did this? I think I have 215 on there.
Do you wanna?
175, 8595.
like I'm lifting more.
We're trying to make it look heavy.
Yeah, so when I'm behind, that's why.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe just make it clear the line. That's handstand walk away. Judy's handstand walk away.
Oh, okay.
I was like, you and Gabby are going to keep it. Did you make yours wider?
So I was thinking probably just go here. But then one,
That's the fastest leg throw climb ever.
Yeah.
Maybe not the fastest ever, but
Look pretty fast to me, brother.
I was only on my phone for like 5 seconds today. I was
Really?
at 5 seconds, so you came over.
Show me your screen time.
CC, I don't know what it is, actually. It's up there. What's your screen time?
0.
No. I'm scared.
Let's see it. Hold on.
Okay, it used to be worse.
That's just today?
Yeah. Oh, no. This is like the weekly.
Oh, so you average 8 hours a day?
No. Oh, I can't show you.
Hold on, let's see it. Hold on.
That's really bad.
Wait. 14 hours and 10 minutes for the week?
A day.
A day?
That can't be right.
Bruh.
Can't be right.
Bruh.
Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat.
I'm not throwing up. It's before the workout. This is actually the current comfortable position for my back, so I'm just staying like this.
Anyway,
So, 100 foot to start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 21 deadlifts when we get here. The second round is 1, 2, 3. You'll end down there and then run back to your bar for 15. After that, down and back times 1 and then deadlifts times 9. Cool? Go, ladies. Amen. I was going to say, I'm finishing my stance. Come on. Press me. I'm good, got it. One step shut. 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
It's not fair, his song's on. you got it. Let's go, Matt. Let's go, Matt. Got it, Evie. Let's go.
Right in, right in. Okay, come on. Two strong sets. Come on. 5 and 4, you got it. 5 and 4, tight. Speed from the floor. That's it.
Come on, come on. Stay close.
Nice, Evie. You got it.
Hands on the bar.
4 more.
Good. Come on. Let's go. Let's move. Come on. Good. Come on. You
4,
got it.
come on.
Good.
Last one.
Let's go. Get it.
Okay, let's go back to my favorite position.
Chandler thought you were resting, huh?
Yeah, I was like, come on, dude, I'm done.
It did its job. It got us through the open workout.
I just really got it.
That makes it, when did it actually go? 15. It looked like,
When do you leave for Wadapalooza?
Tuesday afternoon.
So, 2 more days?
Yeah, 2 full days of training here before Miami.
So you gonna take a little vacay or you coming straight back?
Yeah, actually I might stay there for extra 3 days because also it's so close to the quarterfinals, so it's not like we can really push the training and we need to recover after the competition, obviously, because maybe the volume is not gonna be crazy, but especially with the team competition, I think it's gonna affect the nervous system and gonna make us tired. So I think it's very important to still have those 2 deload days after.
Do you like doing team workouts like that?
Like Wadapalooza style?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's fun. I think especially coming back to competitive fitness, I feel like it's the best way to start.
Was there any consideration to doing individual?
No, I think it's a bit too early, and I'm type of a person who needs what's the word for it? Like proofs. Like I need to prove myself, like physically, that I'm capable of doing some stuff. So I think going team is a perfect way to show myself that I'm fit enough. Like I'm fine. So looking forward to it.
How has the recovery since last we talked been? Have you had any hiccups or everything's been going smooth?
Since when? Since I was here last time?
So February or when was that?
No, it was longer than that. It was
January?
November. I think November.
Oh.
It was before Christmas.
Oh,
I think it was around right before Thanksgiving I left.
okay.
Yeah, so it's been a while, and since then I feel like I changed tremendously. I think I just started to run faster and longer when I got here, so being able to jump and actually not scale the workout when I'm working out with the other guys, it's been a big change. And Travis is not giving me crap for doing different workouts, so that's fun, 100%.
Good luck out there.
Thank you.
Did the balloon thing help?
The balloon thing helped with not thinking about the workout.
I feel like you had an unfair advantage.
How?
Because when y'all started the workout, it was the Down Under song.
My song came on. That is not our song. That's
Yes,
like
it is.
That's like the song that the rest of the world makes fun of us with.
No, that's your song.
All right, it's our song.
Now give
Yeah.
me a crikey and I'll end this video.
Crikey!
Maybe we should put Sweet Caroline on and then I'll win the next one.
What, is that your song?
When England win like a football game or the World Cup, we sing Sweet Caroline.
Is that a...
I'm sure it's like
that
an
a
American
British-
that sings it, but
Yeah, so we still win. USA, look at that flag behind you. Look at that flag behind you. Go ahead, say the pledge.
God save the king.
We definitely don't know it. Wouldn't have a clue.